poison. Hi, I'm Leah.
I'm Khubab.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. How are you?
Good, and you?
I'm fine.
Would you like some coffee?
Thank you so much. So as we earlier talked on phone, I'm from Multicard, and you know a little bit about Multicard. So I will give you some explanation about Multicard. But before going anything, I just asked you that you are recently opened this store. So how's business going on?
It's quite good.
Okay, that's great. And can you tell me what kind of problems you are facing?
Actually, we have some problem about cash flow
Okay.
and market. We have no time to do marketing
Okay.
and advertising, and we have some problem about account receivable.
Yeah. Okay. So, how much traffic you have in your store?
Not much because we're new for this market, so it's about like 70 to 80
Okay.
client a week.
Okay. So,
I
do
mean
you,
a day. Sorry.
okay. Do you hear about Multicard?
Yes, I read from your email.
Okay. So you didn't heard about anything before.
Um,
Okay. I will give you a brief introduction about our company. Multicard is providing all-purpose credit cards to the customers and to basically to the young professionals. Like our target market is young professionals like you who just complete their education and start their business, and either it's like professional job or entrepreneur or a business. The basic advantage of multi-card is that it gives you immediate credit into your account. Like if a customer came to your store and asked you and do purchases in your store like $100, so our company can give you straight away $95.
So you deduct $5.
Yeah, we can deduct $5. It's basically our service charges. If you go with your traditional credit card system, like nowadays people use these traditional credit cards, it take huge time. It take long time for verification. Like a sale clerk in your store
Yeah.
can call to a local office bureau and just confirm it about that either a customer have credit in his account or not, and then it take huge time, which is affecting your business. Like you tell me that there is a like time is also a factor nowadays which affect your business. So we can deduct $5, but it saves your precious time.
Yeah.
And the other advantage which we provide you, like your account receivable, you told me that this is the major problem of your business nowadays,
Yes.
like collection of unpaid accounts.
Mhm.
So we deduct 5 to 7% of your face value, and then we provide you immediate credit and the responsibility to take the cash from your customer. It's our company responsibility.
Mhm.
So what advantage you have? It improve your cash flow.
Mhm.
Like in traditional business, the cash come to your account, it's take too much time. Like
Yeah.
first customer pay the bill, and then the bank will credit it amount into your account. But in this way, when a customer do purchases, we just do it in the same time. When a sale clerk just enter the number of your sales slip and the amount go into your account.
Mhm.
So it don't take too much time. And there are a lot of other things, like I tell you about cash flow. It improve your cash flow. Like if you have cash and you can give your wholesaler or retailer where you purchase the thing, immediately you provide the cash. But in credit card systems, in old credit card system, it's take little bit more time.
Yeah.
So that's why we are not competing in this world, and we are targeting your type of young professional,
Mhm.
which help a lot. And there is also a problem, like maybe you have a problem in marketing your store.
Yeah.
Like when just heard about you that you have little bit low number.
Yeah.
So it also increase your customers, and you can ask me how.
Yeah.
So yeah, the main problem which you are facing, because if you have more customers, it increase your sales, and if your sale is increased, you are a successful businessman. So how we increase the your sale? It is like that way that we can just print your store name on that multi card,
Yeah.
and customer can easily understand that it's your store, and we can advertise on local newspaper, media, and anything, and your store will be promoted. So this is the major thing. And you have maybe concern about deduction charges, that 5% deduction
Yeah,
charges.
yeah, I'm clear about
Maybe
that.
yeah, maybe it can affect your business.
Yeah.
Like now, like you told me that you are affecting businesses like on unpaid account, due to unpaid account, and if you pay us $5 straight on your face amount, maybe you have problems. The problem is like there is decrease on your in your payments, like in your cash.
Yeah.
And the answer of this is that it will give you effect, but it's not give you like that effect. Like if when we give you multi-card and customer use it,
Mhm.
then it can increase your sale. Like through advertisement, everyone know about your products, everyone know about your store, and customer use it, customer come and purchase, do purchases. So it won't affect your bottom line. Like it may be it not the same, but it may be increase. Like when more customer come to your store, they do more purchases, and in this way you can increase your sales.
Mhm.
Like in traditional old credit card system, maybe you can pay service charges to the bank. Maybe the bank also deduct some other charges from your account. In the same way, we have some service charges. We are using some our advantages, our resources, so we can use this money to that there, and it's the main benefit for you that you like you said that you have a problem of account receivable, and this way this problem will be resolved.
Mhm.
We take responsibility, our collection department will take this responsibility, and you got immediate credit into your account, which will help you a lot to pay your all the debts.
So do I have to pay for any fee rather than $5 deduct from any?
No, you don't pay anything extra. It's just the same this one, and this will provide you some incentives. Incentive is like cash back. You know about cash back.
Yeah.
That we are thinking about this one. That if there is a point of 1,000, then we will provide you some cash back.
Mhm.
We are also thinking about some other incentives
Mhm.
which we provide our customers. So that's why they use more these multi cards. And also there is a life insurance policy and some other incentives which is good for you, which
Yeah.
is good for your customer. And nowadays customers also very much impressed about these multi cards. Like there is according to a survey,
Mhm.
51% of the population have 2 credit cards.
Mhm.
And customers also wait a long when sale clerk verify from local credit bureau, and customers also happy that if they have one multi card which provide all the purposes of that card. Like a customer who have 3 credit cards, and each credit card have different purposes.
Yeah.
So this one multi card provide all the purposes.
Mhm. That's good.
Yeah, that's
But
good.
actually, I'm already working for 12 hours a day for my business.
Yeah.
So why should I add even more work by taking your card?
Yeah, I understand that you are quite a busy man.
Mhm.
Like this card, like I explained that through this card, when a customer purchases, a sales clerk of your store can just enter the number and he can get immediate credit. So it don't take too much time of yours. It can reduce your time.
Mhm.
Like in this way, like um there is a when customer came and do purchases, and you can get cash. You don't write your cash flows. You don't put it this into your account receivable.
Mhm.
You get cash at the same time.
Yeah.
So you can save your time of your cash flows, return your cash flows, return your account receivable, and collection of account receivable. So your time is saving through these things. So
Okay.
so it is good for you. I recommend you that you must try it. If you are not satisfied, you can try it on trial period for 6 months. We can give you on a trial period, and we can give you some more incentive if you want. Like in this way that if like I told you that we can deduct 5% on the face amount,
Yeah.
but on your trial period we can just deduct 3%.
Okay.
And you have 6 month trial period.
Okay.
You just use it. If you think that this card increase your sale, this card increase your marketing strategies, and more customer came, more traffic of population came into your store, and your sale is increased, you can become our permanent customer.
Sounds good.
Yeah.
So maybe I'll try it for 6 months.
Yeah, that's great. That's great for us. And when you are free for next meeting for our contract and trial period?
Let me check first. Actually, I'm free on Tuesdays next week,
Okay, so
At-
which time is preferable?
1 p.m.
Okay, sounds good. I'm
Okay.
here.
So
Okay,
see you then.
see you. See you.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet
Have
you
a
too.
good day.
Have a good day.